Hi friends, I'm Mani from channel Mani Techniques. In this video, you'll probably learn how to edit videos with Filmora 9. I'm sure at the end of this video, you'll probably able to edit videos like a professional. Then, are you ready? Then let's go get started. This is the official website of Filmora. So here, you can download Filmora 9. But before that, I want to say you something. This Filmora 9 is not a free editor. It worth $60 or more. But you can also try it for free. But if you try it for free, you may get watermarks that cover more than half of the screen. So you need to buy it. Don't worry, it was the rate. And after downloading and paying the money, please come back and watch the video. See, after downloading or installing Filmora 9 and then opening Filmora 9, this is what you're gonna see. So you have two options over here: new project or open project. So when you click on open project, you can open the recently done project. So I have done only one project recently. So otherwise you can do check it over here. There is project library, and when you click on new project. Alright, so after clicking on new project, this is what we're gonna see. So this is the real workspace of Filmora 9. So you can adjust it like this. So first we start with this new box. So what is over here is that media. So what do you mean by media? Media is something that what you can import. So we can just import this media. So import media files, media folder, or we can also import from camera and phone, or these are something you can download also. So here also we can record from webcam, PC screen, and record voiceover. So you can also record this. So so very important in this all is shared media. So what is shared media is that this helps us to store the important things that we use in each and every project. So even after you delete this project and again start a new project, this will appear. So this is my logo, and this I use for each and every project. So I have kept in the shared media. So there are some sample background colors and there are sample videos. So let's check out one. You just click once to view the video. So I click on once. So I clicked on this, so you can view this. So if you double tap, it will be added to our, otherwise you can just drag this and put it over here. So in this way we can add the videos to our timeline. So this is called the timeline, and this is audio. So this, it has only just a video, so we can add some different, there are various, nearly 76 are included. So all are not downloaded, we can download this. Just double click on that to download the online content. So it's downloading. It has downloaded. So let's check. Something a mass beat. Okay, so these are the different types of audios that we can add. So you can see that here it is the audio one, and this is a video and titles one. So we cannot add this over here. So when we drag this, it comes and sits here but does not go up. So one time, let's start again the video. So now when you start this video, you can see that the audio and video come together, and this is how we put them. So let's now go to titles. So what are our titles is that, do you see many YouTubers using them? So when they start their videos like the YouTube logos, and at the end they use thanks for watching our video, subscribe for our channel for more videos, thank. So please hit the like button, and everything is done with the help of these titles. So you need to right click on this and scroll here. So this enables us to scroll. So you can go up and down to see that. So there are nearly 259 included. So we can also download this. If you want to download everything, you just go to tools. You can click on download all. So I don't want to download all because what I need I already downloaded. So before downloading, check whether it is needed or not. So don't download all. It's just my advice. So these are the titles. So let's check one. So this is how this title appears. So it's quite good. So let's try it once. So I'm adding it over here. When you double click on this, this box appears. So here you can type your text. So I type on my name. So my name is Manikanta, and I type that. So here is the different types of fonts which we see. So there are nearly there are many fonts. You can select which you want, and also we can make our text bold, italic or bold and italic at once. And also we can change the size. Not only these sizes, we can just change the sizes like this. So I click on some 90. So this has changed to 90. Okay, let's keep some less. So then 10 is enough. So 100 is something big. So let's click on 10. Now it's small. Okay, now when you click on this appears. So here also we can change the text. So here we can see that the different types of colors. So I apply for this. So you click double tap on this to apply. So the color is already blue, so we cannot see that. Use this blue. So here you can see that title here is seen in blue. So this is what preset. So these are already installed and you need to download them. I think this looks something good. Yes, this looks good. Okay, and beside we have an option called animation. So this helps us how we can view our text. So we view it like this. Okay, so cinema style, we check that. So we can view it like this. So we can view this like this. So these are some animated options. So how we view? It's really awesome. So now we have learned how to do this. Our titles we can add. So for titles also audio can be added. For example, when add this. Okay, what you're gonna see is that we're gonna see some effects. So what effects? So first we need to add a video to show that. So I can add one video. So yes, let's add this. Okay, so this is very important. It will always ask you match to video or keep project settings. So it is better to click on match to media. So some images or some videos cannot be up to the mark. So you need to click on match to media. So now let's add some effects. So what I told is that right click on this and click on scroll here. So what we do is that, so there are many things. So let's check on filters. So what gonna we add? Okay, I think it seems some good. So let's add that. So we can add it here. Now when you start this video, you are able to see this. So when you remove the effect, just click on this and you can delete effect. So now we can see that normally. Okay, now so these effects enables us to not only change our videos but also give them some special effects. So now I think you understood about effects. So let's go to elements. So elements is something that helps to keep the videos and text more beautiful. So you can see that there are large things over here. So most of them use this to keep. So let's add this second. Now let's click on this. Oh, it's now let's come back to transition shortly. Now we have completed elements, effects, titles, audio, and media. Now let's back to transition. So what's transition? When you go to videos, we see something. For example, we want to have still special effects. Okay, otherwise, let's check the shade media. Okay, I use my logo to show that. So I have just got my logo in the timeline. So we're gonna come back to timeline shortly. Now first look about transition. Okay, now what gonna be add? There are different types. So there are 233 included. So let's go to some 3D. Okay, there are orbital. Let's add this once. Let's check what gonna happen. Oh, it's turning. Now let's go delete this and try another one. So now what gonna be I show is that, okay, I will show this. These are really awesome, these linear are. So let's add, okay, let's add this. Okay, now let's start the video. Okay, does it seem interesting? So this are used to make your videos even more professional and more better. So now let's come back to the last one in our first box, that is full screen is something that helps us not only display one video at once, but not one, two, three, four videos at once. So this is one of the extraordinary options that Filmora9 provides us. So we must say thanks to Wondershades for providing such an editor that helps us to also provide 2-3 videos at once. So let's try out 2 videos at once for just a demo. So first we check how it is. So this is what it looks like. So first let it add to a timeline. So let's add it to a timeline. Okay, now I added it to our timeline. Now we can extend it. Okay, I will extend it like this. Okay, I extended it. Now I will double tap on this. So now let's import something. So let's put this over here, and okay, let's put this here. So okay, now let's do you see that? It seems interesting, right? So with the help of this, we can not only put 2 but also 3 and 4 videos at once. So this not only helps us to decrease the time we make the videos, but also gives a grand look to our videos. So now let's come back to our timeline. Timeline is the main editing area where we actually edit our videos. So this timeline has many features that helps us to edit videos more easily and more comfortably. So first, let's add something to see in the timeline. So let's add my logo to see in the timeline. So let's extend. Okay, now you can see here that it is the visible thing, so we can add a video track, titles, effects, everything over here. So it is saying the toggle track output. So here we can add audios. So if you want more audio and video tracks, just click on this video track, then it adds a new video track, and go to this and right click on that, and you can add an audio track. So it helps us not only to add video but also audio tracks. So here are the redo and undo buttons. So if you click on redo, what you have deleted we can get that, or what we have done something wrong we get that. And if we do redo, we'll just go the opposite of undo, I can say. So we can also delete, so we can also cut. For example, you want to delete just some part of this video, you can even delete that. So okay, you can click here. Okay, now I want to delete this, then I right click on this and I click delete. So now it's deleted. So this helps us to do that. So we can also cut the video. So not only that, we can do something more, such as for example, you want to log this. So if you have some fear that it may be deleted, then you can log this. So when I click on this, it will be locked. So now if I try to delete it, so you cannot see any buttons over here. So we cannot delete it, we cannot do anything. So it is just locked. So if you want it not to be seen, then you just click this. So in this video, you will not see this part. And the same thing for audio also. So let's scroll that and see. So let's add some audio first to show that. So uh, I'll add this. So Skyline. Okay, I added it. So I think still I need to scroll down. Okay, now when I want to log this, I can't delete it. So nothing can be done to it. So just we can split it, but we cannot delete it. So when I remove the lock, now you can. So when I click on this, see, now you cannot hear what's the audio is. So when I remove this, now I think you'll be able to hear. Okay, are you able to hear it? And not only that, we can set our audio. So once you come get your screen over here, get your cursor here, and now you can reduce the voice. So see, now I have put this on, but still you can't hear something. So you cannot hear nothing. So you can also increase the audio. So now it's too high. So let's. So now the decibels is too high. So you can also adjust the audio with the help of this. And not only that, options over here such as we can color that, and not only that, we have the green screen option over here. So this green screen enables us to change the color of the background of the pictures. So you can try it practically. So completed about timeline. So now I think we have completed everything that you need to know to edit videos as a professional. So we learned about how to import media, how to set the audio, and how to make some special effects, transitions, and a lot more. And also we learned about split screen in this video. Not only that, we learned about the main editing area, the timeline, and also the various features that the timeline gives us. And we also learned about how to zoom in and zoom out, and also how to record the voice and everything in this video. And the last, we're gonna learn how to export the video. So in order to export the video, you should just click on the export button. So after clicking on export button, so you need to click on export. So when you click on export, this takes some time and then gets exported, and after being exported you should to click on find the target. So it shows you the this project in your file explorer.